Good afternoon, ma'am. My topic is basicity of amines. Basicity of amines. As amines being the basic in nature due to presence of unpaired or shared pair of electron on the nitrogen, and it is also called as Lewis base due to presence of lone pair in this nitrogen, and this reacts with mineral acids like HX to give salt. Example is when aniline reacts with HCl, it gives anilium. It's give anilium salt. Then the salts reacts with any base and it gives the parent amines. The initial amines, that is going to the initial amines. The relation between pKb and Kb is pKb equals to minus log Kb, where as the pKb increases, Kb decreases, and Kb decreases, then basicity decreases. Therefore, the Kb proportional to basicity of amines. Basicity of amines. The order of basicity: alkane amines, ammonia. Alkane amines greater than ammonia, ammonia greater than aryl amines. Alkyl amine is greater than ammonia due to plus I effect of the alkyl group, and ammonia is greater than aryl amines. Aryl amines basicity is lower due to the electro withdrawing nature of benzene ring. Let's discuss the basicity of alkyl amines versus ammonia. Primary amine, this is ammonia. This one reacts with any mineral acid, gives a salt, alkyl amines with basicity is greater than ammonia due to this alkyl group whose plus I effect is due to its plus I effect, it donates its electrons to the nitrogen, and the density on the electron density of the nitrogen is increases, and it is highly available to this mineral acid. Order of alkyl amines in gaseous phase is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree in gaseous phase, and in gaseous phase this order is due to plus I effect of alkyl groups. Order of basicity in aqueous phase. In aqueous phase, both plus I effect and solvation effect is important, and the order is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Due to hydrogen bonding, it is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Solvation is inversely proportional to size of an ion due to this disorder. Let's discuss the basicity of aryl amines with ammonia. Aryl amines are less basic than ammonia due to presence of this benzene ring, which is this benzene ring. This is highly electro withdrawing group. Due to this, it withdraws the electron towards the benzene ring and the density on the nitrogen is decreases, so it is not available for the any mineral acid, so no formation of salt occurs. Basicity of alkyl amines are less than ammonia. For example, the basicity of derived aryl amines are greater than that of normal aryl amines. For example, aniline with substituted group methyl group is highly basic than this parent aniline due to this plus side effect of methyl group. Thank you.